Hi, my name is Jordan and I'm 14 years old. I love mathematics and I feel like so many kids in our community aren't that confident when doing math. So my goal is to make sure you feel more confident and comfortable when doing math. But before we get into today's lesson, I would like to inform you that I have a new YouTube channel and I will no longer be posting math videos on this channel. And I will be posting them on my new one. So if you could please subscribe to that one, it would be awesome. Don't forget to also like and comment. Now, on to the lesson. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply fractions. The first equation that we have today is 3/4 times 2/5. The process is very simple. The first thing that we're going to do is multiply our numerators. And our numerators are the top numbers of the fraction. 3 times 2 is 6. The next thing that we're going to do is multiply our denominators, which are the bottom numbers of the fraction. 4 times 5 is 20. But we're not done yet. We still need to reduce. We need to find a number that can fit into both 6 and 20 evenly. And that number is 2. So now we divide. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. So you get your final answer of 3/10. Now I'm going to show you another way to do this equation that will eliminate the extra step of reducing this fraction. And the way that we're going to do that is by using cross cancellation. Think of this equation as an X. Let's look at the 4 and the 2. We need to find a number that can go into both 4 and 2 evenly. And that number is 2. 2 goes into itself one time, so we cross out the 2 and write the 1. 2 goes into 4 two times, so we cross out the 4 and write the 2. Now let's look at the 3 and the 5. There isn't a number that can go into both 3 and 5 evenly, so we just leave them there. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10. And as you can see, we get the same answer without having to reduce. Let's try another equation. We have 4/7 times 5/6. Let's use cross cancellation again. We look at the 7 and 5, and there isn't a number that can go into both of those numbers evenly. And remember, we're looking at this equation as if it were an X. Now let's look at the 4 and 6. 2 can go into both of them evenly. So we cross out the 4, because 2 goes into 4 two times, and we write the 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times, so we cross out the 6 and write the 3. Now we're ready to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 3 is 21. So our final answer is 10/21. Let's try one more. We have the equation of 2/3 times 1/5. For here, we cannot use cross cancellation. There isn't a number that can go into 2 and 5 evenly, and there isn't a number that can go into 3 and 1 evenly. So we just multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 5 is 15. So our answer is 2/15. I hope now that I've taught you this, you're more comfortable with multiplying fractions. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.